So guys, my name is Satyam and this is the continuation of previous tutorial. If you didn't watch the previous tutorial, then I recommend you go to the back of playlist and watch every tutorial from beginning to last. If you are facing any problem, then you can message me on Facebook and I'll tell you what will its exact answer. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then go to below and click in the description box and click and give a link so that you will see all tutorial by that description link. So if you don't know idea about the pointer and don't know idea about the array, then please don't watch this video and go to backup playlist and watch the video of pointer and array. After that, come at this video. So okay, let us start. What is pointer? uh, mm, First of all, I'll tell you, if when we declare array, we do like something like that little bit. So let us see. I'm doing for the int that only contain 5. So then we can do like this: a 0, a 1, a 2, something like that we can do, and we will go for till 4. 0 1 2 3 4, not 5, because if we go 5 then it will then 5. Also, it will be 6, so that's why we go only for the 5. Okay, one thing more I'm going to tell you. Before starting it, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the concept of the memory. In previous tutorial, I told you a little bit concept, so I hope you will be familiar with this images. So one thing more I'm going to tell you. In previous tutorial I told you about the integer stored at 2 bits. That was for the sign and unsigned, but actually the long integer that store 4 bytes. So here we will consider 4 bytes. Okay, let us start it. I hope you are familiar with these types of images, so I already also already seen it. So okay, what actually pointed generally to the address of something. Suppose you declare int x and x equal to 4. So what will be the address of 4? It's mean that if you declare, then computer if you declare 4, so in computer memory there will be some address of 4 so that it can store. If you want to access, then address we have to access, and by that we can access the 4. So actually the address look like FFFEE, like something like that, but I am going to tell you make it easy so that you can understand. I'll start address with 200. So here the integer will store 4 bytes. So in the difference of 4, I'll tell you. Suppose the address looks something like that. So first one, so that you can understand. So I am going to tell you. I'll start with the 200. So let us start. First one is 200, and so it is a stop 4 bytes. So second one will be 204, and third one will be 208, and 212. And suppose here a place where it address will be 300. Okay, so at this place its address will be 300. So at this place address is 300, and here to this. Okay, and it's okay. So let us suppose I'm going to enter here something value. At this point 200 is stored to, so it is stored 2, and it is stored 4, and it is stored 5, and it is stored 8, and whatsoever it stored, let us what it stored 5. Okay, so one thing I'm going to tell you more bit. Generally what we do when we have to declare about the pointer, um, suppose we do like something this int um, suppose int x equal to 5. Okay, and we have to what we have to do like this int, when we have to declare a pointer int and asterisk sign, that's p, and after that what we will do, p equal to, in the place of p you think that anything, what a b c d e b f, so I am going for p because the pointer start with p, so I am going here for p. So and that's why, but the address what we have to do, and we have to write ampersand, and ampersand what, ampersand x. Okay, that's ampersand x. Okay, and suppose in previous tutorial I have told you, suppose if you want to write printf printf p, so what will you print here for this? If you write here I'm going to, then you will address here print, you will address, because ampersand, if in place of p you can write ampersand x, so it will print 300, it will print address. And suppose you print asterisk p, so what will it print, what, so it will print what's its value, so its value is 5 here, so it will print 5. Okay, and suppose one thing more, after 300 a place there would be 304, so I did that here, so I'm going to write here a place that would 304. Okay, and if you write print p plus 1, then you will get the address of this value, then you will get here 304. If you write here print p plus 1, then you will get this. So how we have to relate to the array, let us see it again. So for array what will you do, int a and this, and so you are going the for 5. Okay, and then int asterisk p. Okay, and p equal to what, we are taking array, so we have to write ampersand and a, so and here we will go for this 0. Okay, and if we will print the printf p, so what we will print, we will print here at this place, so printf p. Okay, so what will we print, if we will print p of p, then we are getting the value of what, we are getting the value of 200. And if we go for the printf and asterisk of 1 p, so what we will get, we will get here 2. And if we will go printf p plus 1, then what we will get, we will get the value 204, because we already done it, so we will get the value of 204. Okay, and if we will go further, printf asterisk of p plus 2, so what will we get, we will get the here the initial value is what, 2. If we will add again 2, then we will get the address of this, at this place it's 5. So